Welcome to the world of option trading, a financial strategy that's all about buying and selling options contracts. Options are derivatives that offer the right but not the obligation to buy or sell an underlying asset. This could be stocks, commodities, or indexes, and it's all done at a predetermined price known as the strike price, either before or on a specific expiration date. Now, there are two main types of options. Call options, which give the holder the right to buy the underlying asset at the strike price. Then there are put options, which grant the holder the right to sell the underlying asset at the strike price. Option trading can serve various purposes. It can be used for speculation, hedging, or even income generation. But remember, it's vital to understand the risks involved and have a firm grasp of options before diving into option trading. It's a complex and high-risk investment strategy, and many investors choose to educate themselves or seek advice from financial professionals. And there you have it, a quick dive into the world of option trading.